You're running, or trying to, but your legs feel like concrete. Your body won't move fast enough. And whatever's chasing you, it's getting closer. This is one of the most common dreams in the world. Trying to run and not being able to. Why does it happen? And what does it mean? Because it's not random. Your brain has reasons, and the way you move in dreams can say a lot about what's really going on with you. Let's start with the basics. When you sleep, your brain goes through cycles, and during REM sleep, the stage where most vivid dreams happen, your body is intentionally paralyzed. This is called REM atonia. It's your brain's way of keeping you from physically acting out your dreams. But that paralysis doesn't just affect your real body. It can bleed into the dream itself. So when you try to run, your legs don't respond. You're stuck in slow motion, dragging yourself through molasses, because your brain is simulating movement, but your body can't follow. But here's the strange part. Not everyone experiences this. Some people run fine in dreams. Some fly. Some move faster than they ever could in real life. So when you're stuck, it might not just be the sleep paralysis. It might be your subconscious. Think about when these dreams happen. They usually show up during times of stress, when you're overwhelmed, when you're avoiding something, when you feel powerless in real life. Your dream mirrors that feeling. You try to run, but you're frozen. Not because of your legs, but because of what's chasing you. Sometimes it's a person. Sometimes it's a shadow. Sometimes it's nothing you can see, just a feeling. And no matter what you do, it keeps gaining on you. That's fear. That's pressure. That's your brain translating emotion into motion, or the lack of it. There's another theory too. Some psychologists believe running in dreams reflects how we're handling conflict. When you avoid hard conversations, decisions, or responsibilities, it builds tension. And that tension shows up at night. You try to run from something, but deep down, you know you can't. Your body tells the truth when your mind won't. But what happens if you do run? What if one night you finally move your legs, break through the slowness, escape? That can be powerful. That can mean you're ready. Ready to face what's been hunting you. Ready to stop running. In your dream and in your life. There's one more angle worth mentioning. Lucid dreaming. If you realize you're dreaming and you take control, you can break the rules. You can run as fast as you want, jump as far as you want, fly, teleport, do anything. The limitation disappears the moment you become aware.